Claude Code is one of the most powerful AI coding tools right now. Imagine it connected directly to your browser with your session, your context already logged in. That's exactly what's possible now by connecting Claude to Opera Neon, an agentic browser through the MCP connector. This setup is a little bit more technical this time, but don't worry, we got you covered. We have the terminal with my Claude Code account open on the left and Opera Neon on the right. Let's open the MCP connector, select Claude Code, copy the command and paste it into our terminal. To connect, I type /MCP in my terminal, press authenticate and copy the URL that I will receive as output. I confirm the application access request with my Opera account and my Claude Code account is now connected to Neon. Now, inside the MCP connector settings, I enable all the right tools, allowing Claude to switch tabs, click, scroll and interact directly inside Opera Neon. Let's rebuild this to-do list web app I have open in Neon. The first prompt asks Claude to analyze the tab, clicking around, taking screenshots and building a plan for recreating it. Claude Code explores the tab open in Neon, scrolls through and puts together a full plan based on our reference. Once the plan is ready, a second prompt kicks off the build. Claude creates the web app in a local environment using Neon to verify it. It builds, tests and bug fixes everything automatically, and at the end the result is a functional web app built entirely from what was open in the browser. This is what it looks like when your browser becomes the context layer for your coding workflow. No more screenshots, no more describing your UI. Join our Discord and let us know what you're building first.